Hello educators, welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjari. In today's video, we are going to revise for EMRS Recruitment Examination 2023. In this video, we are going to see 50 model questions based on NEP 2020. These 50 questions are very much important for your examination. Let's start. So, your first question is, who was the chairman of NEP 2020 drafting committee? Out of these four options, correct option is Dr. K. Kasturi Rangan. Now, let's see the next question. So, next question is, when the Union Committee did approve the National Education Policy NEP 2020? Correct option is 29 July 2020. Third question, Ministry of Human Resource Development MHRD renamed as. Your correct option is B, Ministry of Education. Question 4, NEP 2020 states to establish a national repository of high quality resource on foundational literacy and numeracy on government digital platform. What is the name of government digital platform? Your correct option is B, Diksha. Fifth question, what is the full form of ABC as per NEP 2020? Your correct option is option D, Academic Bank of Credit. Question 6, MERU, Meru. Question 7, NEP 2020 replace the. Correct option is option A, National Education Policy NEP 1986. Question 8, how many fundamental principles mentioned in National Education Policy 2020? So, your correct option is option A, 5. Question 9, in NEP 2020, the current 10+2 system to be replaced by new curricular structure. What is the new curricular structure? Correct option is option B, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Question 10. According to NEP 2020, the Indian education system produced great scholars such as Chakra Nagarjuna. Find the odd one from the list. So, your correct option is option C, Xenocrate. Question number 11. In 1964, the Indian government has appointed a education committee. How many members were there in committee? Correct option is option D, 17. Question number 12. First education policy is passed by Indian Parliament in which year? So, your correct option is option C, 1968. Question 13. Full form of Paraksh, PA. Question 14. What is the full form of NCTE? Your correct option is option A, National Council for Teacher Education. 15th question. By which year the minimum degree qualification for teaching is going to be 4-year integrated B.Ed degree? Your correct option is option B, 2030. Question 16. As per NEP 2020, the responsibility to develop adult educator framework has been given to which one of the following organization? Your correct option is option B, NCERT. 17th question. NCF 2005 is largely based on. Your correct option is option D, constructivism. Question 18. According to NEP 2020, children pick up language extremely quickly between the age of 2 to 8 and multilingual has great cognitive benefit to young student. Your correct option is option B, correct. The given statement is correct. Next, question number 19. NEP 2020 clearly states that the three language formula will continue to be implemented as per as the constitutional provision. No language will be imposed on any state. Correct option is B. Means this statement is true. Question number 20. What is the name of program which has been established for promoting the language of India and for the purpose of cultural enrichment as well as national integration? Your correct option is option D, Ek Bharat Sashastra Bharat. Question number 21. Which Indian language mentioned in the 8th schedule of Constitution of India will be offered at all level of school and higher education as an important enriching option for students, including as an option in the three language formula? Your correct option is option D, Sanskrit. Question number 22. It is proposed in NEP 2020 that Sanskrit textbook at the foundational and middle school level may be written in one of the below mentioned form. Your correct option is option D, simple standard Sanskrit. Question number 23. GCED stands for. Your correct option is option B, Global Citizenship Education. Question number 24. According to NEP 2020, a practice-based curriculum for grade 6 to 8 will be appropriately designed by NCERT. What will be the name of practice-based curriculum? Your correct option is option C, NCFSE. Question 25. How many days have been mentioned in NEP 2020 for participating in a bagless period to intern with local vocational experts such as carpenter, gardener, painter? Your correct option is option D, 10 days. Question number 26. NEP 2020 set the goal to achieve 100% gross enrollment ratio in preschool to secondary level by. Your Question number 27. NEP 2020 recommend that Government of India will constitute a fund to build the nation's capacity to provide equitable quality education for all girls as well as transgender students. What will be the name of fund? Your correct option is option C, Gender Inclusion Fund. Question number 28. What is the full form of digital learning platform Diksha? Your correct option is option B, Digital Infrastructure for Knowledge Sharing. Question number 29. Which of the following reform was included in NEP 2020? Your correct option is option D, all of the above. It includes equitable and inclusive education, ensuring universal access at all levels, new curricula and pedagogical structure 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Question number 13. According to National Education Policy 2020, teacher will be able to teach a lesson in mother tongue or regional level up to grade. Your correct option is option C, up to grade 5. Question number 31. Dash will be created as an apex body for fostering a strong research culture and building research capacity across higher education as NEP 2020. Your correct option is option C, National Research Foundation. Question number 32. What is the aim of National Education Technology Forum, NETF? Your option is option A, to improve digital teaching method. Question 33. Which state were the first to issue an order pertaining to implementation of NEP 2020? Your correct option is option B, Karnataka. Question number 34. What will students receive upon completion of a 1-year vocational or professional field course according to NEP 2023. Your correct option is option A, certificate. Question number 25. New policy aim for universal of education from preschool to secondary level with 100% gross enrollment ratio in a school by. Your correct option is option D, 2035. Question number 26. Who is the last minister of MHRD and first minister of education? Your correct option is option C, Ramesh Pokhriyal. Question number 37. As per the policy, public investment in education will be increased from the current 4.3% to. Your correct option is option D, 6% of GDP. Question number 28. Which list is education in the Indian Constitution? Your correct option is option D, concurrent list. Question number 39. The vocational education will start from. Your correct option is option C, class 6th. Vocational education will start from class 6th. Question number 40. What will be age of early childhood care and education ECCE in NEP 2020? Your correct option is option D, 3 to 8 years. Question number 41. Ministry of Education plan for attaining universal foundational literacy and numeracy in all primary school for all learner by grade 3 by. Your correct option is option B, 2025. Question number 43. Is board exam for grade 10 and 12 will be continued in NEP 2020? Your correct option is option D, continued with redesigned. Question number 43. Public and private higher education institute will be governed by. Your correct option is option A, same set of norms. Question number 24. Which is not an educational committee? Your correct option is option D, Ashok Mehta Committee. Question number 25. What is ABC as per NEP 2020? Question number 46. What is the aim of NEP 2020? Your correct option is option C, inclusive and equitable quality education at all levels of school education and higher education. Question number 47. How to achieve NEP 2020 for equitable and quality education for girl child? The correct option is option D, all of the above. All the options are correct here. Question number 48. What is Shiksha Parv? Your correct option is option B, to awareness about implementation of NEP 2020. Question number 49. Which of the following is not an initiative on NEP priority? Your correct option is option C, Niti Aayog. Question number 50. NEP 2020 focuses on. Correct option is D, 360-degree holistic progress card.